Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Programming World. In the series of learning programming in C, today in this video I am going to talk about expressions. In the previous video we have discussed data types and classification of data types, but now we will see first of all what is expressions and classification of expressions. So let's get started. So here we can see first of all what is expressions. So the definition of expression is the first definition. An expression is a combination of operators, constant, variables and function calls. It can be arithmetic, logical or relational. Clear? Or in other way, the second definition is an expression is a combination of operators and operands which reduces to a single value. Means, in actually, it is combination of both operators and operands, right? Which give us single result. Clear? So, what is an expression here? Combination of operators and operands. Clear? For example, we can see here x plus y means arithmetic operations. Here the sign will be, the symbol is also called arithmetic operation. In the previous video, we have already discussed about operations like arithmetic, relational, logical in the classification of operators, right? So in the previous video, we have already discussed operators. Now, the next example is A is equal to B plus C. Here we can see there are also uses of two operators. First equal to and the second add. Addition means sum. So use two operators equal to and plus sign. Clear? And the next one is A is greater than B means relational expressions. Means this sign we have used about relational expressions. Clear? And the next one is A equal B means logical expressions. And the next one is fun C A comma B in left and right parenthesis means function call. In the C program, we have also used function call for change the value by function. Clear? Now, let us remember some important points. So, if you see here, the first one is an operand is a data item on which an operations is performed. Means what is operand? Is a data item and means in the C program which operations is performed called operands. Clear? And the next one is an operator indicates an operations to be performed on data. Means operator direct to operations to perform on the data or instructions. Clear? And after the processing of instructions, we have already found our information. Clear? In the form of output. Now let us discuss about the classification of expressions. So if you see here, there are multiple types of expressions available here. The first kind of expression in the primary. So in the primary, we are having the expression like C is equal to A plus 5 into B. So this is the primary way of expressions. After this, coming to the postfix operations. So there are defining Z is equal to A plus plus. Here Z is equal to A and A is equal to A plus 1. Means after one processing, the value will be increased. Clear? What does it means? Means Z and A both are two operands. Clear? And when we are using increment operator here like A plus plus, so we are increasing the operand value by 1. Clear? Now coming to the prefix expressions. In prefix, if we are using increment value or increment operator before value, then we can see here assigning Z is equal to A plus plus. How it is taking into computer? So it will first increase the value. Clear? And then it will assign the get value of Z. Clear? So this is what prefix expressions. After this, come to the unary operators. Clear? Suppose here there is no two operands, only one operand. So that we are saying this is unary operator. Clear? Means when we perform in any operations on only single variable, we can say that is unary. Here we can see the first variable a plus plus is increase the value and b minus minus is decrease the value. Clear? So this is unary expressions. After this, coming to the binary expressions. In the name itself binary because it having two variables or having two operands, that is a and b, here example, or c and d. For example, here we can see a is equal to b and c into d. Clear? Next, the final one is ternary operations or ternary expressions. So in ternary, that is nothing but three operands will be available and only one operator will be there. That is expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, and expression 3. So as well as in the previous video, we have already discussed in detail about ternary operators. So I hope that's it about expression and the classification of expressions. In the next video, we will discuss about statements in C. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.